Hi, good morning all. I take immense pleasure in inviting team from Marathon for this meeting. Just to give a short brief about Marathon. Marathon is an ISO 9001 2015 certified company and enjoys presence across South India in Chennai, Coimbatore, Thiruvananthapuram, um, Pondicherry and Bangalore. I take this opportunity to welcome Mr. Sabarivasan, AVP, Jayachandran, Vice President, Venkatesh from Marketing, and Satish from Customer Care. Hi, welcome you. Over to you, Indra.
Yeah, we can actually start the presentation. I think Mr. Satish from Ardham Group is going to give us the presentation. So you can share the screen, sir, and you can start the.
Okay, madam. Good morning to everybody. Happy to see you all. I think the number touches 42, I think.
Yeah. That's right.
Can everybody see my screen?
Yes, Satish, it's clear.
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes, please.
Good morning, friends. I start with the word friends because everybody will have a friend who will be at the back of you for your development. So Mardam wants to be a friend, want to grow with you as well as enjoy your growth also. So let's be as friends, and this relationship has to be there for years to go. So, and we'll go into the presentation now. It's about Mardam Group. So everybody knows about Mardam Group, and now I'm going to tell you about the details. Mardam is focused on residential construction for the past more than 2 decades, and it is completed around 76 plus projects, and around 25 lakh square feet has been completed. And we believe in quality construction and timely delivery. And also we have a big customer base of 20,000 to 2,000 happy families. And under construction, we have 4.5 lakh square feet is under construction. And we are having a state-of-art construction with adequate Vastu compliance also. You have a question why you want to choose Mardam Group? Yes, you have the answer here. We build homes to last a lifetime because it is a one-time investment and it is also a long-time investment. So we build homes for a lifetime, and we deliver value and quality to the customers because we believe in quality. So we give deliver quality to the customers, and we are 100% committed to the customers. Whatever they need, we'll be doing it on time also. And we craft finest life spaces, and we create communities you will be happy to be a part of, because home is the place where you spend more time and you'll be happy at the home. So we'll give happy homes to you. And these are the Mardam promises. We provide affordable housing, we give quality construction, we give better lifestyle to our customer, and at last on-time delivery. And this is very much important. And this is our project. It's an ongoing project, Mardam Neptune. We have a small video of our Mardam Neptune. Just now I'll give an outline of our Neptune project.
Mardam Group, an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, enjoys an envious position in the South Indian housing sector in Chennai. Mardam Group has to its credit millions of square feet built up area and strives to offer the best to its customers in terms of quality and service. And now Mardam Group proudly introduces Neptune at Nerkundram near Coimbatore. Spread over 1.88 acres with 120 units with premium amenities to make your dream home a reality. Our 5-floor 2-building residential apartment are both CMDA and RERA approved. It includes stilt floor car parking and 2, 2.5, 3 and 4 BHK homes having high UDS. Spacious bedrooms, hall, kitchen and bathroom. Located at a residential area, Marutham Group is redefining real estate with eco-friendly design, clean air and technology to support your green choices. Experience a completely different lifestyle packed with excitement such as our luxurious Neptune Club, with hi-fi home theatre, AC gym, indoor games, library, multi-purpose hall and of course children's play area. Neptune is located at VR Mall and has easy access to the Coimbatore metro station. Our other notable projects such as Marutham Apurva, Marutham Rhythm are also in the heart of the city. We also have our projects in Coimbatore, Trivandrum and Puducherry. Owning a home in Nerkundram, meaning a lot to peaceful living.
Everybody has seen the video. And this is our project Marutham Neptune, which is located in Nerkundram. It's very close to proximity to Coimbatore, Vadapalani, Alvarsanagar, Porur, and Valsaravakkam. And this Neptune has built up in area of 1.88 acres. Total units will be 120 units and 2 blocks, silt plus 5 floors. And the total built-up area is 1,57,620 square feet. We give an IUDS of 43.7% for our customers. The basic price of Neptune is rupees 6,499 only. It comprises of 2, 2.5, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. 2 BHK square feet starts from 1,025 square feet and 2.5 starts from 1,182 square feet, that is 1,182 square feet. 3 BHK starts from 1,313 square feet and 4 BHK is 1,737 square feet. And the budget for 2 BHK starts from 83 lakhs, 2.5 from 94 lakhs. For 3 BHK it starts from 1.03 crores and for 4 BHK it is 1.33 crores. All the values I said was all inclusive. And it is CMD and RERA approved, and the RERA number was given below. And the building is under construction and the construction is in full swing. We'll be handing over this project by next year May, that is May 2022. You have a question in your mind, why you want to choose Neptune? So these are some of the points. We'll give you an outline about why you want to choose Neptune. It's a close proximity. It's located in the heart of the city. And we give you an IUDS of 43.7%, which gives you a promise for value appreciation. So generally, the land value will appreciate in the area. So for UDS of 43.7% will give you a good value appreciation. And we give premium smart amenities, which is for your modern comfortable living. And we give a best price of 6,499 compared to just PH Road is 1.5 kilometers from Neptune, where we have the rate of 8,000 to 9,000 rupees. And Arcot Road is 1.5 kilometers from Neptune, where we have 10,000 and 11,000. So we give a attractive price of 6,499. This is the main point why you want to choose Neptune. And now the bank interest rate was all-time low at 6.9%. It's a good time to buy apartments now. And the main point why you want to choose Marutam is now Marutam is already in the CMDA master plan for an integrated development, because generally if you want to buy a project or flat or anything, you want to see the appreciation. When you invest, it should be appreciated. When you want to purchase in a developed area, the appreciation will be little low. So this Nerkundam is a developing area in the heart of the city, where the CMD has a master plan to develop it within a span of 2 to 3 years. So investing in Neptune will give you high returns. And also Neptune has easy commutation to all the places in the city and easy access to our Coimbatore Metro as well as Coimbatore bus stand. And this is the view, architectural view of our Princeton block, which is still plus 5 floors. Each floor will have 14 apartments, 2 lifts and 2 staircases. Total flats in this block is 70. And this is the view from garden view of this. And you can have a small center space, which is our elevated garden. We'll see in the next slide. This is our signature garden, which is located in between 2 blocks, that is Princeton and the Triton block. The Triton block is still plus 5 floors. Each floor will have 10 apartments, totally 50 apartments. And this is the aerial view of our project Marutam, Neptune. 2 blocks, you have Princeton and Triton. And this is our clubhouse, and this is our entry. And this is our night view, beautiful night view. And this is our clubhouse, which is a 3D model clubhouse. This is the architectural view, that is rendered view of our project. And this Neptune Club is ready for visiting. Now we have completed. Generally, the clubhouse will be completed at the end of the project, that is after handing over, during the handing over. But now, very few builders will do clubhouse before pre-hand. So we have done our clubhouse, which is 7,500 square feet, which has so many modern amenities. You can see exactly the same view. I can show you once again. This is the architectural view of our clubhouse, and this is the actual picture. The 3D dimensional view design. Let's go into the Neptune Club. And this is the reception cum reading lounge. It's a library where you have the reading lounge, and you can use the reception for the association. Next will be the Sky Theatre. So generally they call it as home theater or mini theater, but we call it as Sky Theatre because you will surely have a feeling of sitting under the sky and watching a movie. So we have designed in such a way that you have that feeling, and you can visit our project to have that feel. And this Sky Theatre is Dolby Atmos, and it is comprised of around 16 speakers and 2 woofers. Total seating capacity is 26. And this is multi-purpose hall. This is actual picture of the multi-purpose hall. It is fully air-conditioned multi-purpose hall with 75 seaters, where we can have a small birthday function or small functions. You have a separate terrace dining also for usage of for dining purpose. And this is our fitness center. This is well equipped, high-end Reebok equipments are used. You have treadmills, EFX, and other multi-gym, or you are having it. You have a separate room for yoga also. And these are indoor games. So this is for enjoyment of the children. We have TT, snooker, foosball, and even PlayStation, PS5 also we have been given. And this is the actual picture of our model flat. So the first one is our this is our dining living area, where we provide 4x2 vertified tiles. And this is dining area. And this is our master bedroom, where you can see we provide wood pattern tiles. And this is our second bedroom. We provide 2x2 flooring for our second and third bedroom. And this is kitchen. For kitchen also we will provide wood pattern tiles. So just to give premium quality and other things. And this is our third bedroom. And this model flat is ready for visiting. This is the actual picture of that model flat. This is our master plan, where you have that grand entry here. We have that road on the way, and this is our clubhouse. There you'll have our Princeton block, which has 70 units, and you have our Triton block, 50 units. In between these two blocks, you have the park, which is 4,000 square feet park, and we have a podium slab with greenery on the first floor. That we'll see in the next slide. This is a floor plan of Marutam Neptune Princeton block, which has 14 apartments in a floor. This is first floor, and you have a elevated garden in between. This is provided to give you better lighting and air circulation for all the apartments. So it will be open this side, and you have the corridor, and it will be very airy. And we provide medicinal plants in this garden, which is very much needed for this condition, today's condition. And you see green marks on some places. It is you provide private terrace in first floor for some flats. These are the green spots we have seen. So you have 2, 3, and 4 BHK in this project, in this block. And this is Triton. You have 10 apartments in each floor. This to have a center open landscape garden, that is elevated garden with 2 lifts and 2 staircases. They're given in the middle for better ventilation. We provide windows for bedroom with 6x6, which will give you more lighting and ventilation. It's very much needed for this current situation. And this is the current status of our Princeton block. The top picture shows about the architectural drawing, and now it is in the silt floor roof work in progress. This is about Princeton block. And this is Triton block. 5th floor block work in progress. And you see a red color and white color mixed coloring here. This is our model flat, which is ready for visiting. You're always welcome to. And this is the tree that already I told you about, the people tree, which is in the park, which is 150 years old. So this is in the signature park of 4,000 square feet. We have kept this people tree for giving more oxygen for the customers, which is an bonus to all the people who are buying here, because nowadays oxygen is very much oxygen scarcity is there. So this will give you natural oxygen. And we do have another 2 projects in Chennai, as you see in this in the video. One is Apurva. It is located very close, adjacent to SBU High School in Anna Nagar, and just 300 meters from the proposed metro station. And this is built up in 14,000 square feet area. And total units are 20, each stilt plus 5 floors. Each floor will have 4 units, total 20 units. Will give an high UDS of 45.8%. There will be a better appreciation in the land. And the total built up area is 30,225 square feet. We are giving a basic price of 10,999. And all the 20 units are 3 BHK. And the square feet starts from 1,277 to 1,423 square feet available. And the price ranges from 1.66 crores to 1.84 crores. Is all inclusive. So only total 20 units, only 5 units available. So this CMD and RERA approved, and we are planning to hand over the project by July this year, 2021. July 2021, we will go into handing over. And this is the current status of the project. Already completed. All external works and internal works are completed. We are planning to hand over by July 2021. The next project is Marudam Rhythm, which is in Kodambakkam, walkable distance from Kodambakkam, very close to Kodambakkam Bridge. Total land area is 5,000 square feet and just 10 premium units. Each floor will stilt plus 5 floors. Each floor will have 2 units. One is 2 BHK and one is 3 BHK. Total 10 units. 2 BHK will be 956 square feet and the budget will be 1.2 crores all inclusive. And 3 BHK will be 1,610 square feet and it's 1.95 crores all inclusive. And this project is also CMDA and RERA approved. And we give you an high UDS of 43% for this Rhythm project. And we plan to hand over the project by December 2021. The basic price of Marudam Rhythm is 10,499. And this is the current status of the Rhythm project. We plan to hand over by December 2021. And these are the upcoming projects in Chennai. One is Royal Garden, which is just 10 minutes drive from Tambaram railway station. It's built up in an area of 2 acres, total units 165, stilt plus 5 floors, and total built up area will be 1,91,000 square feet. 91,000 square feet. This is phase 1. And it is comprised of 2 and 3 BHK. 2 BHK starting from 1,025 to 1,084 square feet, and 3 BHK from 1,184 to 1,242 square feet. Budget will be starting from 39 lakhs to 45 lakhs. It is all inclusive, and this is DTCP approved. And as per Marudam promise, we give affordable houses. So this is an affordable house with 1% GST, because the total carpet area, which is below 90 square meter, will be under 1% GST, and we give affordable housing in Marudam Royal Woods. Sorry, Marudam Royal Gardens. Another one is Breeze Villa, which is in Tambaram West. It comprises of 10 row villas, duplex villas. You'll get a land area of 1,450 to 1,750 square feet and built up area of 1,550 to 1,950 square feet. This is a row villa. You can see the design also. And price starting from 95 lakh onwards. This is all inclusive. And this is also DTCP approved. So those who are willing to buy villas, you can contact us. One more we have in Kodambakkam, that is Marudam Towers. This is our upcoming corporate office. We have it in 3rd and 4th floor, and 1st and 2nd floor is for rental, Each floor will have 3,000 square feet. The rental will be approximately rupees 50 per square feet, and it is just adjacent to Kodambakam Bridge and walkable distance from Kodambakam railway station. So it will be very much useful for office spaces, IT, because close to railway station, accessibility will be very easy. So those who are interested can contact us. And this is what our customer says. This is about our customer named Muralidharan, who has got a project flat in Maradam Breeze. He's working in AG's office, Tenabed. And is Mr. Murthy, who bought a flat in Maradam Prestige. He is a railway contractor. And is Mr. Arjun, who is an IT profession, who bought a flat in Maradam Hillside, which is opposite to Mahendra City. The people behind your home, there should be a big team which gives you a better home for you. This is our team. Our CEO, Mr. Rajendran, who is located in Dubai. Is Mr. Sundar Rajan, who is Director of Projects, who is looking after all the project works. And this is Mr. Govindarajan, Director of Finance, looking after all finance activities of Maradam Group. This is Mr. Ramesh, Director Admin. He is taking up all admin activities in Maradam Group. And is our Dr. Jayachandran, our VP of Maradam Group. Is Mr. Nagarajan, AVP Operations, taking care of sales, marketing, customer care, and other activities in Maradam Group. And Mr. Sabarivasan is AVP Technical, who is taking care of all technical planning and other activities in Maradam Group. So this is our team behind Maradam Group and Maradam Success. And for contacting us, you can have this details of Mr. Rafiq. You can see the email ID and kindly note the numbers for contacting. Anything you want to mail, you can use this mail address, and you can have WhatsApp also.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Satish. Are you done with the presentation?
Yes, one more page is there.
Yeah, okay.
An important page, no?
Fine.
About the scheme. This is about the CP scheme of Maradam for the year 2021-22 quarterly. That will provide 2% on the basic cost for 1 to 3 numbers quarterly. We do 1 to 3 bookings quarterly, we will provide 2% on the basic cost. And if it is 4 to 6 numbers, it will be 2.5 on the basic cost. And for above 6, it is 3% on the basic cost. This is applicable for apartments above 80 lakhs. And if any apartments below 80 lakhs, it is 2% on the basic cost. It's flat 2% on basic cost. And this slab is only for flats above 80 lakhs. And allotment of leads will be done first come first serve basis. For example, from where we get the first enquiry, we'll note it down. Because when you register in cell.do, that is CRM, when you enter once, when you go for the second time, it will not allow. So first come first served is the CRM module, and the validity of the lead will be 60 days.
Okay. Okay.
As I told you in the beginning, as we are friends, so as Maradam, you be a network with Maradam to increase your net worth. So we feel it as a relationship which should last for a long time. Okay, it's a network to increase your net worth with Maradam. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Satish. I think now we can move on to the question and answer session.
Yeah.
So if anyone has a question, please you can unmute and talk, or you can just mention in chat box, I'll unmute. So Srinivasan, you want to start, or shall I ask my question? Okay, I'll go with the first question. What are the schools nearby Neptune?
Neptune, you have MR School and Daya Southern School are nearby, madam. And you have La Châtelet, which is just 2 kilometers, and Chinmay Vidyalaya.
Chinmaya Vidyalaya is there. Okay. And exactly how far is that from Coimbatore bus stand?
This is just 2 kilometers, madam.
2 kilometers, no?
Yes.
Okay. And is that price 6499 negotiable?
To a little extent, madam.
And you have a tie-up with the banks already?
Yes.
For
We have
loans?
SBI, LIC, ICICI, IOB, HDFC,
Okay.
and other banks. We already
What is
have
the
APF also.
Okay. Okay. And what is the closest hospital, sir?
This is always Triple M Hospital, madam.
Okay, Triple M. Okay. And this clubhouse, what is the membership fees you're charging?
We don't charge any membership for clubhouse.
Okay. Okay. And what is the room size for your master bedroom?
Master bedroom is it's starting from 11, 14.
11,
Even
14.
12, 14 also we have.
Okay. 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 And you said you will be using a medicinal plant, right? So what
Yes, there is.
medicinal plant you are going to use?
Like aromatic type of like tulasi and beauty. They will tell us karpuravalli and whatever which will give you that smell will give you better energy. So we have
Okay.
discussion with our gardener, that is garden person. We have selected plants.
Okay. Okay. And regarding the lead registration process of Sell.Do, once the lead is registered, what is the process followed at your company?
No, it is once you are registered, we will follow the lead, and once it is completed, we'll inform it to you. If it is not through for 60 days, the validity is over for after 60 days, we will remove it.
Okay. All right. So anyone else has a question?
Yeah, Mr. Satish,
Yes, sir.
as far as the registration up to 60 days and after that, if a customer seems to be a hot customer or a warm customer,
Yes, sir.
and whom we can follow up and who has made a site visit, what
Yes.
happens whether the lead is automatically re-registered into the same CP, a channel partner, or it has to be done by the channel partner?
If it is before 60 days, if you have a hot client, you can inform us that we have an hot client that we will be planning to book after just 10 or 15 days. You can inform us, we can extend it.
Okay. And with regards to the percentage,
Yes,
can
sir.
you talk to the management and increase it further? Because you are starting with the 2%. And I also believe that, you had mentioned on the side of it above 80 lakhs.
Yes,
What
sir.
is above 80 lakhs? It means whether
Above-
that's applicable only if the CP crosses that 80 lakhs.
No, not like that, sir.
Okay.
Because, yeah, tell me, sir.
No. I just want you to explain that above 80 lakhs. What exactly?
Budget above 80 lakhs. If a flat budget is above 80 lakhs, it is 2%. We have this slab only for apartments. Each apartment flat cost is 80 lakhs. For example, we do have affordable houses. It is only 39 lakhs to 45 lakhs. So this
Okay.
slab will not come for that. We have 2% flat for that affordable housing.
So 2% is the flat for affordable housing, and
Yes.
above 80 lakhs apartments, the slab applies.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, right. Thank you. And who is your contact point for CP?
No, I've given the details now, sir.
That same Mr. Muhammad Rafiq,
Yes, sir.
same person. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Satish, I have two questions.
Yes, sir.
Number one, after we register the lead and we get credit for the lead,
Yeah.
is it mandatory for the CP to accompany the client to site?
It is not mandatory. You can inform us. We can look into it and we can follow them.
And at site, because there are so many sites of yours,
Yeah.
Rafiq will allot a person from the sales team to be physically present at site to explain the entire project to the client.
Exactly.
So at that time, once we fix the client inspection, Rafiq will tell us. For Neptune will be somebody else, for Apurva and for Rhythm, all the three projects, there will be one representative
Yes.
waiting to help with the client site inspection.
We'll accompany the client and we'll give all the information here.
Okay.
And we will inform to the Rafiq that this client client has visited and this is our input given.
Okay. Okay. Good. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
Is there any, I mean, have you included the CP partnership recently or something like that, or was this available even before?
No, we
Because
have. Yes, madam.
what happened was just 2 months back, I was in touch with one of your employee. So I had a client for Kodambakam.
Okay.
So he told me very strictly that management is not allowing any CP and we will not give you any kind of percentage from our end. So we had to lose the client basically. I mean, from the Marudam builders, of course, you had to lose the client one. So
It is
what
not
I'm
like that,
asking.
madam. It is not like that. We are having CPs from years together, madam.
Okay, no, that I'm asking you because this happened recently, just before the lockdown, like April 26th. Before this, I mean, before this, the incident happened, and we had to look for some other property. Basically. So he was very, what do you say, he was very fixed on his words that the management is not allowing and not entertaining any CPs, and we are not giving any kind of percentages. So that is why I'm just clarifying it.
Now I'll have a call with you, madam. I can check with the person who has spoken to you, and I'll call you back. Can I give you a number, madam?
You can put it in the chat box, ma'am. We'll
We'll discuss.
I request all participants who have not put in their contact details on the chat box to do so immediately, so that Marudam Group can capture that and again share their project details to you all individually by mail or by WhatsApp.
Okay, I just want to put in a word here. This is Praveena. Hi, everybody. Hi, Satish sir.
Yes, madam.
For those who have not known Marudam, I'm associated to Marudam for almost like 6 to 7 years now, and I've been working on their projects. Theirs is a very traditional and very, very committed organization, wherein the 4 brothers are taking up the entire responsibility of delivering the projects. It has been a real good experience working along with them. And being a CP, I always feel the kind of respect and the kind of the responsibility that they take when we give a lead is really good, and the payout also has been on time. So I can definitely vouch for them. So thank you, Mr. Satish and the team for this presentation. It was really nice. I just wanted to put in my word. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you, Praveena, madam.
Thank you, Praveena, for your certification for Marudam.
Thank you, Balaji sir. Just thought since I know them, I thought I should put in a word. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Satish, thank you for the presentation.
Thank you so much, sir. Any more questions?
I have 2 questions.
Yes, sir.
Question. Good morning, sir. Subramaniam here.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
where is the project in West Tambaram, sir? That villa for sale?
This is in near Manimangalam, sir.
Manimangalam. Through Mudichur you need to go, sir?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, fine. Got it. Thank you.
And sir, regarding that villa, how far is it from GST Road?
From GST, it will be around 3 kilometers, madam.
And when
When
are
it
you
comes to
planning
the
to
forest-
start this? Okay.
In 3 to 4 months.
Mr. Satish, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you for the presentation.
Thank you
I have
so much,
2
sir.
questions.
Yes, sir.
One is, what is the state of this Kodambakam commercial project? Is it completed?
No, not yet started. It's going to be started, sir.
Going to be started. And the entire building will be available.
The entire building will be belongs to Marudam, and we are giving it for rental for first and second floor, 3,000 square feet. Sir.
Okay, only 2 floors.
Yeah, 2 floors. And 3rd and 4th floor will be our commercial office.
Only 2. Okay. When it will get ready? Any idea?
I'll inform you.
Sure. And regarding the lead, second question is regarding the lead registration.
Yes,
Suppose the lead that I'm registering, if some other channel partner has registered, but not done the site visit. If I have the complete grip with the client and I'm able to get the client for the site visit, how do you normally handle it?
But already if it is registered in one's name, we cannot again register again in the same name. So that we can have a discussion, sir. We can
Because
plan
it might
and
depend
accordingly.
on sponsor basis. Normally, what this happens
The voice is
with,
breaking, sir.
every developer, the channel partner was already registered. Is it clear now?
Now clear, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That with developers, the person who has set the lead but brought the client to the site, the second channel partner who's trying to register, it may not register because of the duplication, but he
Yes.
might have different, better relationship with the client who will be able to close the sale. Probably
Yes,
you think
okay.
about it and then I'll give a solution.
Sure. I'll get back to you.
Sure. Thanks.
Sure, sir. So any more clarification needed?
Yeah. See your project Nerkundram.
Neptune.
The cost of Neptune. The cost of apartment is 83 lakhs for 2 BHK. Am I right?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Can you give us a little brief about the breakup of the cost?
Breakup will be. You want to see the breakup?
Yeah. If you can show it, is it good?
Yes, I'll show you the breakup, madam.
Okay.
Are you sharing the screen?
Yes. 1 second. It's
Yeah.
loading, sir.
Yeah, fine.
It's loading, so I'm waiting.
Yeah. You can continue.
In the meantime, Mr. Satish,
I think it's open.
When you take for flat number A, it is 1,674 square feet. You have an open terrace of 181 square feet in the first floor. Units will be 733. The flat cost, including car park, will be 1 crore 12 lakhs 29,326. And you'll have EV deposit, drainage, infrastructure, STP, WTP, other property, other taxes includes 6 lakhs. GST will be 5%. UDS registration 11%. Construction agreement 2%. Legal fees will be 50,000, common for all, and you'll have 6 months maintenance, rupees 2 per square feet, plus 18% GST will be 23,700. It will be for 1,674. For total all inclusive price will be 1 crore 28 lakhs 56,962.
Okay.
And Indra madam asked about
share
1025,
with,
which is
cost sheet also along with the presentation.
Sure. I will send you, sir.
Okay. And one more question: how fast or on what payment stage you will be releasing the CP payouts?
we'll be releasing within a couple of weeks, 2 weeks.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Venkatesh, he wanted to know,
Yes, sir.
actually, Mr. Balaji's question is, as soon as the client books, at what stage means up to what stage of payment that the client make to Marutam, after which the payment will be released?
Yeah, once the client register the flat, maximum within a couple of weeks we'll register. We'll try to
Because
release.
some of your projects are ongoing, so the
Yeah,
registration might not take place immediately. It'll take place only after a certain stage. So what happens is that in that process, other builders, what they say is that once we sign the agreement and the sale agreement is registered, because as per ERA, you have some 120 days within which you have to register the sale agreement. Once the sale agreement is registered, we release. Or some builders say that once your client pays us 20%, 25%, then we'll release. That is what Mr. Balaji wants to know.
Yeah, I understood the question, but as of now, we don't have that payment plan. But anyway, we'll rethink of it, we'll match as per the other builders also. We'll rethink of it and get back to you. Sure.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
We'll think of a staggered payment as you suggested.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
See,
Thank you.
when I add to your point, most of the credit builders and builders like Marutam, they can release it from 10 to 15% stages, because most of the builders are taking only 10 to 15%, and they once the client sign up with the agreements, sale agreement and construction agreement, and that is enough for them to release the payment. It is not necessary that they should get it registered within that 120 days. Because in any way, if they have a payment schedule approval, or if they have an approval to register the UDS at 85% stage or 90% stage, in most cases, they take a time to register, but they release the payments in to the CPs in advance. That is on signing the sale agreement itself with the 10 to 15%. So it is not applicable to a builder like Marutam, because they are also a credit builders. In most cases, they may register the property at 40%, 50%, or 75, 85% stages also. It all depends on the payment schedules.
Sir, of course. Yeah, you're right.
Okay. And Mr. Satish,
Yes, madam.
where exactly is your Apurva Ananagar in Ananagar? Where exactly?
Exactly, from Ananagar West Depot, from Tirumangala when you come, it is on the Ananagar West Depot's left side. From West Depot, it is on road, 100 feet on road property, just 300 from Ananagar West Depot, it is 300 meters. You can see it on the road property.
And the proposed metro station is going to come up in the Thirumangalam bus depot.
Okay. Great.
Mr. Satish, sorry to ask you, Neptune, where exactly? Is it on the road adjacent to the Coimbatore metro station, which leads to Chinnayanagar?
It is in the road, it is called NT Patel Road, which is the road which is connecting PH Road and Arcade Road, sir.
PH Road and Arcade Road. Okay.
The next to, you see that Golden George Bridge, the new bridge they have constructed.
Yes.
Next to the signal, the first right.
Yeah, no, I'm asking about that road, but I don't know the road.
It is NT Patel Road. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else has a question? You can press the button, raise hand, and we can unmute you. Ramanathan sir, we are not able to hear your voice.
In Mudchur, where you are having this villa project, sir?
In Manimangalam, sir. Just 2 kilometers from that 400 feet outer ring road, sir.
Okay, no, which part? It goes towards Kishkinta or behind Kishkinta?
No, this goes towards that JK Tire. That is Sri Perambudur Road, sir.
Oh, okay, right.
Next to 400 feet, you have a right. When you go straight, you'll go to Manivakkam. You take your right, that goes to Manimangalam, just 2 kilometers.
Okay, right.
So are you looking for more locations as of now, Mr. Satish Kumar?
Yes, madam.
Which location?
We are looking in cities now. So we want in Ananagar.
Okay.
If you have properties, you can tell.
You go for JV or you buy outright?
Yes, we go for JV.
Okay.
What is the minimum extent, sir, that you're looking at?
Okay, sir.
Even a small area also we can.
2 grounds.
Yeah, even, yeah.
From 2 grounds, sir.
No, in city, what is the minimum extent that you'll be looking at for JV?
Even as minimum as 1 or 2 grounds is 2 grounds will be the minimum.
Very nice. Okay.
That will be better, for the JV.
Okay. And one more request, sir.
Yes,
After
sir.
this presentation, along with the PPT, if you can share the pinned location of your sites.
Yes,
so
sir.
we are actually planning for site visits after the lockdown.
Sure, sir.
For
Sure,
the
sir.
other group and come for site visits. Pinned location of all the projects that you have just mentioned.
Sure,
If you
sure,
can
sir.
share, that would be helpful.
Yeah, we'll send you the Google locations, Google Map locations, so that everybody can visit the site. Yeah, sure, sir. Sure.
And add to this, if you could send me the other locations details, like the photos or videos of that particular project and the
Sure, sir. Will.
Of
We
course,
will
we
send it, sir.
yeah, we have the model flight video also. We'll send it.
As such, we have received only for your Neptune and the your general brochure.
Okay, okay. We'll send it for all, sir.
Please.
So, just a quick question. I want to know whether you
Yes, sir.
will be interested in joint venture in outskirts also. That is, I'm talking about Vandalur Kelambakam Road near VIT University vicinity. I have a 5.5 grounds there. Just wanted to know your interest. If you're interested, your group is interested.
Yes, sir. We are interested to do it, sir.
Okay, I'll get in touch, sir.
Sure,
Maybe
sir,
if
sure.
I get the correct person's
You can send
contact.
the you can send the details.
Yeah, sure.
And Ajay, half of your commission should come to this group admin.
Absolutely, Indra.
Nice deal.
Okay.
And
Any
Satish,
more questions?
And Satish, and can you announce that this thing?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm waiting for it. And you have a special offer for June for all the CPs. You'll get an additional benefit of rupees 25,000 for all the CPs, apart from the percentage for those who are booking flats in June. This is this 2% means 2%. Apart from 2%, you'll get 25,000 per booking.
That's great. Thank you, Satish. So
This is an additional bonus for our friends.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice of
sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so anyone else has question? You can raise hand or you can just put me in chat box. I think we have 55 plus participants.
Yes.
Yeah. So I request the builder to make a note of all the contact details mentioned in the chat box. Please contact all the members. Please share the details. And so Vinay will move on to the end of the program. Should we?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we thank Mardam Groups for giving us a detailed presentation on the current projects and the upcoming projects. So especially your villa project is really interesting. And we thank Mr. Venkatesh, Satish Kumar, Sabrivasan and Jayachandran to join us today. So thank you very much for spending time today, sir. And I hope you'll get more channel partners out of this meeting. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And we also thank Praveena for actually introducing us to Marudam, because it was her initiative of bringing Marudam builders here. So thank you very much, Praveena.
Oh, most welcome, Indra.
Just can I have a word of thanks to all the people? Could you permit me to have a word?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
My name is Jayachandran. I am VP Marudam Group. First of all, I should thank Mr. Amit, Mr. Srinivasan, Ms. Indra and Ms. Praveena for having very well organized and coordinated the entire program. The program went on very well as per on time. And the questions have been very well put into our people to make us to work more and more. We enjoy because you have added value to whatever you have given to us. This is an opportunity we take, and also we feel that the shared knowledge and the skills will provide us to go in a very better manner. Anywhere, any technology platform that we want to provide in between among ourselves to improve, we will definitely do it. We will find a new way of working together. All the questions you have asked would not be answered, but the thing is that working together definitely will improve all our relationships so that we can go together on a long-term basis. Of course, when Mr. Srinivasan has asked about our project and the upcoming project in Kodambakam, part of the project is already on. I think somehow Mr. Satish Kumar has not indicated, because the residential project has 5 frame structures have been over for 5 floors. And the residential part is over, almost over as far as the frame structure. And then coming to commercial part, yes, it's going on. Which means that we are in the second stage of construction. Construction is very active, that we'll be able to complete it as per our schedule. In spite of all this, yes, we look forward to your working with us together, so that even if it is going to be COVID is only a kind of a speed breaker for all of us, because we all need to breathe, we all need to work, we all need to go in progress. We will work together. I think from strength to strength, we'll be able to go ahead with all your coordination and help. Let's do it together. Thank you all for your wonderful participation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jayachandran sir. It was a great pleasure. And thank you once again, Amit and Vinay, for helping us to know so many builders in a week. I think it was an excellent, meet with so many builders. And especially today, I think Marudam has done a great job. I mean, now I think we have more work. So,
Yes.
Just to mention, 50 participants till the end of the presentation, which is definitely good participation.
yeah, that's right. That's right. We thank the participants also for being so sincere in attending the program. So I think we'll just now end the recording.